Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are going to make a delicious snack, chocolate chia bliss balls. I am going to use pitted dates, peanut butter, 100% unsweetened cocoa powder, and chia seeds. I will be cutting the recipe in half today and making a smaller quantity as I'll be the only one eating this. I've played around with this recipe quite a bit and I've settled on this particular recipe where I take the chia seeds and pour half into a grinder to grind up the chia seeds. So I'll leave half in their whole state and half in a grinded state. So process this for approximately 2 minutes, and after a couple minutes I saw that this wasn't coming together, so I ended up adding 2 teaspoons of water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.